Hello everyone, welcome to Rehaai College of Technology. Today we will learn the present simple tense which we use to describe our daily actions, routines and general truths. The present tense helps us talk about what we do regularly in our lives. For example, I wake up early, I attend my classes, I complete my work on time. As students of Rehaai College of Technology, discipline and consistency are important. We can express these habits using the present tense. I study regularly. I respect my teachers. I work hard to improve my skills. When we talk about he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. He studies every day. She works with dedication. For negative sentences, we use do not or does not. I do not waste time. He does not ignore his responsibilities. For questions, we use do or does. Do you practice English daily? Does she attend all lectures? From a Christian perspective, our daily actions also reflect our values and character. The Bible teaches us to be disciplined, honest, and hardworking in our daily lives. For example, we can say, I pray daily, I help others, I speak truthfully. These are not just actions but habits that build strong character. The present tense is not only about grammar, it is about expressing who we are and what we do every day. When we use it correctly, we communicate clearly and confidently. Make it a habit to practice speaking about your daily routine in English. This will improve both your language and your confidence. Thank you.